Inside your body, there are invisible messengers traveling faster than any text message, shaping how you grow, how you feel, and even how you respond to stress. These messengers are so tiny that you'll never see them. Yet without them, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. What are they, and how do they actually control so much of who we are? They are called hormones. Hormones are chemical signals made by special glands in the body, and they travel through your bloodstream to deliver instructions. Think of them as nature's own communication system, coordinating everything from your metabolism and mood to sleep, reproduction, and even how your body handles emergencies. But how do they work? It begins in the endocrine glands, like the thyroid, adrenal glands, pancreas, ovaries, or testes. Once released, hormones flow into the bloodstream, searching for their exact target. Each target cell carries unique receptors, like locks waiting for the right key. When a hormone finally connects with its receptor, the cell changes its behavior, turning processes on, slowing them down, or starting something entirely new. Some hormones can slip directly inside a cell and influence its DNA, shaping how proteins are built. Others stay at the cell's surface, sparking a chain reaction of signals inside. Either way, the result is precise, powerful, and essential for balance. And the body doesn't let hormones run wild. It uses a feedback system to keep things stable. For example, when blood sugar rises, insulin is released to lower it. Once levels return to normal, insulin release slows down. This constant adjustment is what scientists call homeostasis, the art of balance inside the body. Without this delicate system, life would be chaotic. Growth would stop, energy would crash, sleep would vanish, reproduction wouldn't be possible, and stress could overwhelm the body. Every heartbeat, every breath, every moment of focus is quietly directed by hormones at work. So the next time you feel your heart racing before a big challenge, or you notice how your appetite shifts when you're tired, remember, it's not random. It's your hormones silently guiding the rhythms of life. Invisible, yet absolutely vital, they are the body's greatest messengers.